Now they have Pizza Hut, which has a $10.99 for a personal. I think it's what the equivalent of a hand toss. But it's a delicious pizza, actually. It's about the same price as a slice elsewhere. Let's see if that's the price. Yeah, $10.99. The cheese is only $9.49. Oh, they have chicken wings. I don't see a price for chicken wings. Baked wings, 6 pieces, $9.99. So this is something you need to keep in mind. And then the Subway, of course, $11.99 for a 6-inch. $3.99 for a foot-long hot dog. $1 roulette. They have excellent service, cocktail service in here. It's usually just one girl. She just works her ass off. I bet she makes a shitload of money. Crazy money. That's her #1 waitress in all of Vegas, maybe all the world. $3 any beer, bottled beer, right here. Corona, Modelo, Bud Light, Miller Lite, straight up Bud. Heineken. Yeah, I mean, just for a single beer, this is the best place to get it. So the choice of craps in Casino Royale is this $3 pop-up, regular craps, and then probably one of the best shoot to win tables in Vegas right here. I might be a little bit biased because the drink service is so good here. The thing about shoot to win, it's not real complicated. You can bet if you want, skip a roll. No one's going to make you move. A good way to learn the game, but it's also good for people that know how to play the game. You have all the full bets. The only thing about shoot to win, I caution you, is placing your money where you really want it to go. One time when I was first playing it, I had a $5 chip that I wanted to place I think I wanted to place a 9. And my finger didn't quite get it all the way to the 9, and it ended up on the field. And I'll be damned if a 2 didn't get rolled. And I won double.
Yeah. That'll work.
Yep, still $2. So I got the machine cheated me and made my 5 go on the wrong place, and I won. Not only did I win, I won double. So of course I called the waitress over and I said, "What can I do? I owe you some money because I won, and realistically that's not where I wanted my money." And if you believe what that bullshit I just said, I got some beachfront for you in Las Vegas at a good price. The part about the winning was true. The part about me reporting it was not true. Skateboard. Who's the skateboarder? I don't know.